Every tooth is born and grows with its function and positioning determined by the natural order of human genetics. They emerge germinating from the child's gums, even in their first year of life. Thus, like children, teeth are born fragile and unprepared to face a life full of dangers and responsibilities. At this stage, they are called baby teeth due to their fragility and white appearance. When the child turns approximately 6 years old, the teeth fall out randomly and are taken to Calcyus, where they will undergo resistance tests and rigorous training that will promote them to permanent teeth and be reborn in the child's mouth. They will help you chew harder foods and guarantee a perfect smile. Predestined to live the rest of their lives in the mouth of humans, they need to be very well looked after. But something very mysterious has compromised the life of teeth and the health of humans. A threatening disease has damaged baby teeth and killed thousands of permanent teeth in people of all ages and everywhere on planet Earth. To uncover the cause of this disease and provide assistance to the damaged teeth, the court of Calcyus ordered the selection of the tooth best prepared to become a Calcerian guardian, with the mission of living on Earth as an oral health superhero, sacrificing its life in search of answers about the origin of oral diseases, providing guidance to humans about the danger that their teeth are in. Among the thousands of teeth that exist, one was chosen as the best, the whitest, the healthiest, the strongest. Gifted with a patriotic uniform and superpowers granted by the Calcyus court, they transformed little Dan Molarius into ... SUPERTOOTH.